welcome to our garden. Today we're going to be planting carrots.
Yeah, because it's so beautiful.
And it's...
But I see bees today.
Yeah, that's okay. We're going to leave them alone. It's your favorite thing to plant, right?
Yeah, it's my favorite vegetable too.
Okay, let's show them how we do it.
Okay.
I'm going to poke a hole and you can put 2 or 3 seeds in it. Ready? Okay, and then I'll do another one right here.
Good.
Yeah, not too many. Okay, that's a lot. That's a lot. You don't want that many. Just put like 2. Okay, right here. So to finish up here, we put this net to keep the squirrels out. We'll be able to still water it, and when seedlings emerge in about 1 to 2 weeks, we will see how crowded some of them are and be able to trim them with scissors to thin them out. So each of those holes you saw, we had a few seeds in each hole, and we're going to thin it down to where there is 1 plant per hole, and this will allow for some good sized carrots to develop. And shout out to Home Grown Veg, another YouTuber that I got some tips from to improve my carrot harvests, but we've been planting carrots in containers for a few years now. My little girl loves it, and she loves fresh homegrown carrots. So shout out to Home Grown Veg. Thank you for giving us some tips to improve our harvest this year, and we will show you how it goes in an upcoming video. Thanks for watching.